Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a satin bonnet, hair bonnet. So the materials we're going to need is a satin fabric, elastic, a piece of chalk, your scissors, and your tape rule. So for the length of satin fabric, the length is 36 inches and the depth is 30 inches. While for the elastic is the circumference of my head. So the elastic I have here is 21 inches long, but then I added 1 inch extra for sewing allowance, so I cut out 22 inches long. So guys, I'm going to show you the next step now. Okay, so this is the satin fabric. What you're going to do now is to fold this satin fabric into 4. So this is one edge and this is another edge, so I'm going to fold first into 2. Then we have something like this. And then I'm going to fold into 4. So this is what we have. Now that the fabric is folded into 4, if you watch closely on the 4 parts, this part is open, this part is open. So look out for the part that is not open. This place now isn't open. This part is not open. You can see there is no opening, but all other sides are open. So we're working with this part that is not open, this closed edge. So now from this closed edge, you're going to measure out, depends on how big you want it to be, but I'm going to measure out 14 inches. So this is the closed edge. And I said I was going to use 14 inches. So watch, from here to here now is 14. I'm going to mark 14. Is while you're marking, please, while you're marking, keep rotating your tape. Rotate your tape. Rotate your tape. Do not keep your tape roll straight. So what we're trying to do is to get a circle. So you can see now we've gotten a perfect circle. So I'm just going to cut this, and then I'll show you what next to do. So this is our circle. This is what we have. So what we're going to do next now is to run a stitch, a running stitch all around this circle, all around, and then you come back to a point where you started. So I'm just going to mark this as my start point. And okay, I have sewn my running stitch around the circle. So this is where the excess thread came out from, and so this excess thread, we're going to use it to draw a gathers round the circle. Now when you draw your gathers, remember you're looking for the circumference of your head. So mine is 21 inches, so I'm going to do these gathers and stop at, that is, I'm doing the gathers of 21 inches. The same thing for my elastic. My elastic was 22 inches, so I'm going to sew with 1 inch to remove 1 inch, so I'll be left with 21 inches. So I am going to do that, and then we'll come back and go on with the next step. So for now, I'm just going to draw my gathers. And okay guys, so this is my elastic, and I have sewn the 1 inch. This is the 1 inch. So what I have here now is 21 inches. Same thing for this. I have drawn the gathers, so I'm just going to measure to be very sure what I have here is 21 inches. So I'm supposed to have 10.5, and this is 10.5. So 10.5 here, 10.5 on the other side. That's 21 inches. So what we're going to do next now is to pin these two together, the bonnet and the elastic, wrong side facing wrong side, right side facing right side. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So right side facing right side, this is the right side. So I'm just going to pin this all around. I'm going to pin this all around. After pinning this, I'll take it to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew. Okay, so I have sewn it round. I have sewn it round. So I am going to flip this to the other side and show you what it looks like. Okay, wow, this is it. This is our hair bonnet. Isn't it beautiful? It is so beautiful, and so easy to make. So guys, watch this video. Make sure you watch it to the end so you can follow the same process I followed. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.